everyone, the Suck the Jug Fan 001 here, back for some more Party Hard. Speaking of which, I should probably turn the volume on. So here's what's gonna happen. All night tonight, I'm literally just gonna be playing this game for you. And this will be posted all tomorrow. This will be kind of make up for saying, hey, this is what I'm gonna do. So anyway, let's do video. We'll go ahead and do full screen. On. And it's on YouTube mode, which is awesome. So last time we left off, we had done the Neon Party. So now we're doing the boat trip. We're still going to be this guy. Let's go. Things are getting good. I gotta get used to the controls again, though. Let's move the mouse. So I am over there. Okay, I got used to the controls again. So what you can do is you can call in guys and you have the pesticide people again. Thing I like to do is use the sharks at the bottom. Let's check and see what we got first. We got lots of stuff to set off. Ooh. If I set off that thing right now, that would be awesome. I gotta be careful with the bodyguard though. So what is this? Ooh, ooh, that's good, but I gotta watch out for the FBI. So I don't think the FBI busts you if they catch you, which is nice. I will be setting this off though. Oh no, that happened. Holy crap, I got 5 people with that. I am very happy. Ooh, ooh. I see an opportunity. I'm calling in my friends. Only someone suspects me. See, now, we have those guys who are fumigating. And all those people down there are going to be in trouble. Just stay down there and keep dancing. It's okay. Get him. Get him, get him. Now. Ah, so many dead bodies. Oh crap, I killed a cop. I didn't think of that. Oh crap, I can't kill another cop. That's bad. I may have just screwed myself. I may need to start over. I like this map though because you can feed sharks, which pretty much act like your pets. Okay, so no special service people are being called, which is really nice. Yay, look, there's the shark on the left side. He's just eating people, my goodness. As long as he doesn't eat the cop, we're good. Oof. No one sees a dang thing, which is awesome. I still have 1 bomb. I can't hang around that guy, that's suspicious. No one suspects me carrying the bodies, so I should be good, I just have to wait. Oh my goodness, I've already cleared like 1/4 of the board. Is that John Cena down to the right? What is he doing on a stretcher? That is my one question. Oh, I can't kill another police officer, otherwise I will be called. What else can I interact with? Ooh, there's stuff that can be poisoned. I thoroughly like that. There's too many people. This actually ended up not being too bad of a round. I just hope I can pull this off, to be honest. Oh, they were doing something. Oh, they were doing something. Crap, guy with the food, you suck. Or girl with the food. Hurry up and move so I can catch the bodyguard. And kill him. I can't let him see me. I don't think I can call in anyone else, so I have to be really careful. Ah, crap, there's too many people. Dang it. I mean, I could plant the bomb and hopefully get people on this. I mean, hopefully. I literally just need to wait, though. That's like my only strategy that I can do. Oh, wait, I forgot I can dance. Let me go up here, because it's actually going to be my best option to do right now. Also, yes, holding the shift while you're standing still does help that meter go down faster. I've noticed that, so pro tip for anyone playing this game. I had to figure that out myself. There's too many people hanging out down here. I do not like that. Last time I played this, there were not this many people down here. Oh, come on. Why are you all by the bodyguard? People don't like bodyguards normally. You all suck and take the joy out of life. I missed my chance. I can't, the bodyguard's there. That camping bodyguard. That's what this is gonna be called, the camping bodyguard. Because that is so annoying. I would have had this like several times already. I could start clearing people out, but no. That butthole is gonna be causing a disaster for a long while. I literally have to plant the bomb and hope for the best. Yep, here comes SWAT. Okay, so I'm almost noticed by that guy. No one suspects me though, which is good. Well, one guy like suspects me majorly. Where is he? Yeah, there he is. Light blue shirt up here in the orange pants. Since you guys can see my mouse, I don't think you can. Wow, everyone left pretty easily. That's new. Good news is I got 2 more people, and I'm doing great actually so far. I think I can start to get people moving. Oh wait, what am I doing? I can poison this. Duh. Ooh, the bodyguard is by himself. Yes. Don't you dare, you. Oh. You all are gonna make me a murdering psychopath if you keep that up. Leave the bodyguard alone. Let him die. He needs to die. Dang you all. Oh, hold on. The guy just stood there for a good like 3 seconds before noticing the dead body. I'm just gonna stand here, nothing's gonna go wrong. Oh my goodness, there's a dead body! What did I... Oh wait. I got this. Where am I? Too many people. There's still too many people crowding in one area. It's getting a little bit annoying. Ah, bodyguards, stay turned around. Dang it, you women! Oh? Oh, dang it, the bodyguard. Are you kidding me? You are kidding me. Now I'm a bit pissed. Well, someone died. Poisoning, and the girl up there will be dying from poisoning in a little bit. How? Why? You all are camping down here. What the heck? It's so annoying because everyone is now camping. We'll let that run back to normal. Now I gotta kill you all one at a time because you're so annoying. You're ruining my party mood. Well, yeah, I guess having a dead body would ruin anyone's party. Anyone who goes into that outcropping will definitely be given something. No one has seen the dead body to the left that I just did. Are you kidding me? Okay, there you go. There you go. Someone's calling. Can I call? I think I only get one call. I want to feed my pet sharks. I literally wanted this video to be called Feeding My Pets. But no, I can't do that because you all are a bunch of campers. And last time I had smoke bombs, so that kind of helped. I don't care. I need to get rid of this guy, like, now. Oh, you don't see anything. My pet sharks are being fed well tonight. Ah, gorge, my pets. You will know what it's like to feast. Heh, lol, you will be fed to sharks soon. Feed my pets. You know what? I would say feeding pets and camping guards. No. Everybody's camping and I am feeding my pets. Something along those lines. Because I wanted to have that be a title for a while now. Gorge my pets. I've always wanted... I know it sounds weird, but I've always wanted a pet wolf and I've always wanted a pet shark. That could just be me. Because wolves are my favorite animals. And I guess sharks should be like the wolves of the sea. I'm not sure how that works. Oh no. You're coming over here. You're walking up. You will be their next meal. Enjoy. The animation is so fluent for that too. It makes no sense. Oh. There we go. Now we're doing well. Everyone will be murdered. I love murder. I love to murder. Oh, someone else is about to feed my sharks. Oh. Is that guy still... Yeah, that guy still suspects me. A lot of them suspect me now, so now I gotta start taking them out. Whoa. Oh! Talk about a close encounter. Talk about close encounters! Was that the guy? That's the guy that suspects me too. Feed. Now you suspect nothing because you're dead. Run. Feed the sharks. Is he coming down? Yeah, he's coming down. Tisk, baby, really? Oh, so many souls to feed. We're eating well tonight, my friends. My pets will know what blood tastes like tonight. Oh, you didn't see anything, boy. Ah, beautiful. I want to feed my sharks again. Ooh, what is it called when the fish come together? Frenzy. Shark frenzy. Camping people and shark frenzy. I like that. That probably won't be the name, but I'll do something along those lines. You tried to dodge me. Dodge this. Why does that guy up there look like John Cena? No matter. Oh, pets, I got a live one for you. No one cares that a live person just got fed to sharks. I love this game. I mean, I hate it, but I love it. Ooh. We got ourselves a duel. Ah, 3 left. Ronald McDonald. Well, sharks, I hope you like something that tastes funny. Because here comes a clown. That was a bad joke. And I'm proud of myself for it too, I'm ashamed. That guy's just chilling up there. No worries, I'm carrying this guy who's like 100 and something pounds, and I weigh maybe what? 80? Maybe 110 if I'm lucky. Sharks, I got one last meal for you before I go, my pets. This one was a bit harder, mostly because of the randomness. It was definitely not like that the last time. Well, this was a good round. Might as well read what the newspaper says. You can carry drunk people, yeah. Okay, never mind. There we go. And I got away with killing a cop, too. Yay! Why do I sound so happy to play this game? It shouldn't be right. Dance the night away. So what's the storyline next?
Ah, yes, I heard about the cruise liner disaster. Although I assume it wasn't the rushing water that killed those people, as the news had us believe. Sometimes it's easier to keep the people safe by shielding them from the truth. Yes, well, that's an interesting sentiment, although I'm guessing the people on that boat may have felt a bit shortchanged. Though while we're on the topic of truth, you were about to discover a truth of your own, am I right, Mr. West? The girl. Yes, the girl. Tell me about the girl, Mr. West. From what I understand, she'd been following him since he first began his descent to madness. Stalking him, perhaps? Label it what you want. Seems like she was a fan of his work. Wanted to study his methods, as sick as it sounds. She was always a troubled child. You seem to be well acquainted with our newly found heroine, Mr. West. And you know exactly why, you son of a bitch. It was Katie. It was my daughter.
Ooh, so we're about to learn who this female really was, which makes it all the more interesting. I have a feeling you're gonna like this. Also, there's a new Easter egg in the other one that I'm gonna show you guys, because I thought it was really cool. And actually, we're getting close to where I left off. I did this one, and this one was kind of annoying because it was like so random. You had to get the randomness right. But I got running shoes, and it gives you like 10 pairs of running shoes with it, and that's really useful for outrunning cops. That and smoke bombs. But yeah, we're pretty much there. So anyway, I thank you all for joining me in this episode. I hate to say it, but I'm gonna have to end it off here just for this one. Don't worry, you'll pretty much just see me immediately because all these videos will be uploaded for you. And I will see you next time. Bye.